you're welcome back to Wahbilly Concept TV. It's been a long we did a video on this channel. Today guys, we are currently in Lagos State on a building project on interior finishes. What we do is door installation, tiling, POP, screeding and painting. These are the wall skirting design. So currently on this site, I just want to show you our project finishes. We are about to do a door proposal, like submit a door proposal design on the HDF door. So we have been able to do the POP design in this building. From the POP, we do it in stages. We started with the POP installation. After POP, we did tiling, then screeding. Now we want to do the picture frame wall, the wall skirting. That's the next thing, and the door installation. This is what we're about to do on this site. Then after the tiling, we have the toilet fittings, we have the WC, we have all the tanks on the ground. So this is how we are doing this. Our finishes, we plan everything ahead. In terms of finishes, it comes one after the other. You don't do one, you have to do one before the other. So this is why we just finished tiling. We are running up on tiling, on some finishing, and the next thing after screeding. The advantage of screeding before installing your wooden door is that it will allow your wall to be plumb, to be straight, and it won't allow your door to be stained. But it is good to install your wooden doors before painting, so that if there is any leak, the painter will be able to correct it. Also on this project, we have installed subframe on the wall already. Although it's a big subframe, it's something we can use on this project. So the next is the door installation, which is the interior door. Then the lights fittings can come in. I think it's not, we can give, if you want to do the lighting, I think the best idea is to prime the whole wall first before putting the lighting, so that when you prime the wall, the electrician won't stain your final painting. It will have taken the priming on the wall. So let me show you around and see what. This is Wahbilly Concept. Check this. This is early Monday installation. Wahbilly Concept. This is Wahbilly door installation at site right now. Wahbilly Concept is going. So guys, you can check Wahbilly Concepts on 0880 49 3914. Check this amazing door installation. Guys, yes, we are set. So guys, I'm trying to take you around the whole project of this house, what to use. Let's start from the security doors. The main entrance door is a Turkey luxury door. This is Turkey luxury door. This is Turkey luxury door. Then here another entrance, move back. Another entrance coming into the waiting room. This is Jua steel door, Jua black door. Then this is the HDF we are trying to propose. We want to hang it and see the finishing look like of how it's going to be on the wall. So I want to show wall subframe. You just have to have, okay, it's not compulsory you need to have a full wall subframe. The advantage of this subframe is this. This is the subframe. This is this main room. This is what is going to sit. Let me use the small plug. Okay, this is the subframe. This is the main frame of the door. So when this frame is sitting on this wall, this is the subframe that is going to give the door the weight it needs to take the load of the door. So this is why this is the advantage of the subframe. Although there's advanced in technology that we are using installation foam. This is what we are trying to get here. So let me show you the toilet concept. This is the bathroom concept. So The idea of this bedroom is that we use the floor tiles for one side of the wall, and we have white and wooden concept combination with a cubicle stand. This is a cubicle base. We have a cubicle base here, then it's going to have a cubicle glass with a soap base. So this is how we are designing our toilet. So check the POP design, the floor are all set ready. So also this is the lobby, this is the kitchen area. So let me take you more around. Let's go upstairs and see more design in this project. So, same concept, all the toilets, cubicle stand, soap base, white and wooden wall tiles combination right here. Then there is one I want to show you particularly. This is the master toilet. The master toilet have a base, a sitting base for elders to sit, if you are for an elderly person to sit, and it has a soap base also. So this is how we have designed our toilets, wooden tiles together with white. This one has special design of tiles. This is Carrara stripe.